Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have t raised to power 2t raised to power 6 is equal to 3. So solution, the question is t raised to power 2t raised to power 6 is equal to 3. So with this, the first thing we're going to do is to solve this power of t raised to power 6 right here. So here we have t raised to power 6. So we are going to say let t raised to power 6 equals to x, such that from here we can then solve for the value of t. And to solve for the value of t, what we are going to do is to eliminate this power 6 right here. And to do so, we are going to multiply the both sides of the equation with power 1 over 6. So that becomes, in brackets, t raised to power 6 all raised to power 1 over 6 is equal to x raised to power 1 over 6. And then, applying this principle of indices, that if you have, in brackets, a raised to power b whole power of c, this equals a raised to power b times c. Applying this principle right to this then becomes t raised to power 6 here multiplies 1, that becomes 6 over 6 is equal to, we have x raised to power 1 over 6. And from here, this then becomes t raised to power 6 cancels 6, we have 1 is equal to x raised to power 1 over 6. T power of 1 is t, which equals x raised to power 1 over 6. So with this, we have gotten the value of t, that equals x power of 1 over 6. So back to the question, right, in replace of t, we're going to bring in x power of 1 over 6. So with this then becomes x power of 1 over 6 to replace t right here. Then we have raised to power 2 times t is x power of 1 over 6. Then all raised to power 6 is equal to 3. So from here, this is then equal to, we have it as, in brackets, x raised to power 1 over 6, then all raised to power 2 into bracket x. Now, power 6 here, power 6 right here, we multiply 1, so it multiply this 1, and this becomes 6 over 6. Okay, so this is equal to 3. So with this, simplifying this further, what we have is, in brackets, x raised to power 1 over 6, then all raised to power 2 into bracket x. Now power 6, we cancel out power 6. What we have is x, okay, is equal to 3. So from here, what we have is, in bracket, x raised to power 1 over 6, right? Then raised to power 2 multiplies x, this becomes 2x is equal to 3. So from here, what we are going to do is that we are going to make 2 to multiply 1 right here. So only 2 multiply this power 1 right here. So this becomes, in bracket, x raised to power 2 over 6. Then what we have right here is x, then is equal to 3. And then from here, what we have is that, in bracket, x raised to power 2 here 1, 2 here 3. So this becomes 1 over 3 all raised to power x is equal to 3. And then applying this rule of indices, that if you have, in bracket, a raised to power b all power of c, this equals, in bracket, a raised to power c all power of b. So in this case, we are going to move 1 power of 3 outside, and then we are going to move x inside. So this will then become, we have it as, in bracket, x, then power of x outside comes inside, x, then power of 1 over 3 goes outside, so 1 over 3 is equal to 3. So with this, what we then have is that we are going to then multiply both sides of the equation with power 3 to eliminate this 1 over 3 right here. So we have it as, in brackets, x raised to power x power of 1 over 3, then all raised to power 3 is equal to 3 raised to power 3. And from here, power 3 here multiplies power 1, so this becomes, in brackets, x raised to power x, then 3 times 1 is 3 all over 3, okay, is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So with this, what we have is that this 3 here cancels out 3 here. What we have is x raised to power x is equal to, we have 3 raised to power 3. So with this, what we have is that, okay, let me write this over here. We have x raised to power x is equal to 3 raised to power 3. So applying this rule of indices, that if you have a raised to power b equals a raised to power c, since they have the same base, you can simply compare the exponents. So right here, we have x here, power x here, 3 here, power 3 here. What we can do is to simply compare the exponents, such that x is equal to 3. Now with this, we've gotten the value of x, but the question was to solve for the value of t. So recall that from here, t is equal to x raised to power 1 over 6. So recall that t is equal to x raised to power 1 over 6. And we got the value of x as 3. So inputting the value of x as 3 into this, the value of t is equal to x is 3, then raised to power 1 over 6. So with this, we have gotten the value of t, or the value of t can still be simplified further as t is equal to the 6th root of 3. So we have gotten the value of t, either of these two values is still the same thing. Now from here, right, let us check if the value of t, the solution of t that we have gotten, is the correct solution. So back to the question, which is t raised to power 2t raised to power 6 equal to 3. Let us check. So check. The question is t raised to power 2t raised to power 6 is equal to 3. Now, the value of t that we got, t is equal to 3 raised to power 1 over 6. So, in putting this into the equation, what we then have is, in bracket, 3 raised to power 1 over 6, right? Then raised to power 2t. So, 2 times, in bracket, t is 3 raised to power 1 over 6, 3 raised to power 1 over 6, then all raised to power 6. With this equal 3 question mark. So from here, what we are going to do is that we have it as, in bracket, 3 raised to power 1 over 6, then power of 2 times 6, we cancel this 6. What we have is 3 power of 1, which is same thing as 3. With this equal 3 question mark. So from here, what we have is, in bracket, 3 raised to power 1 over 6, all raised to power 2 times 3 is 6, which is equal 3 question mark. And from here, okay, power 6 here, this 6 right here multiplies this power right here, 1 over 6. So this 6 right here cancel this 6. What we have is 3 raised to power 1, right? With this equal 3 question mark. Now 3 power of 1 is 3, and this is equal to 3. So therefore, this means that the value of t that we got as 3 raised to power 1 over 6 is the correct solution. So with this, ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.